Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Gravity Endles Devlog Series. Today I was able to get the jumping and falling logic down. I was able to also get like the gravity switcher spawning down, well, almost. And the gravity switchers are the things that would like let you switch gravity, like if there's some conditions to it. I'm not gonna really explain them right now. That's pretty much the progress. Like I can show here, but I'll show you some progress in the code as well. Um, let me skip this. I started working on the keys so far. So I have the controls, and then just key down, key up stuff. Then this is for like jumping and releasing the jump early. This is for making the player jump and fall. And then this here, I haven't really shown the gravity switcher code yet. The idea is that like when the gravity switcher first spawns in, it needs a randomized like position, and then we go through all the stuff. And then if it's the bottom gravity switcher, we move it to the right. If it's the left or right gravity switcher, we move it down. And then we just draw them too. That's pretty much it for that. Now I also added a new method to main class. I also made it so you just pass in the body code and the border code to the constructor instead of having to pass it into the methods here. And then I have a generate random integer function. Sometimes like the gravity switchers width or height won't always be like accurate to like what the range should be. I don't know if it's this function or if it's another function I'm about to show you. Let's go there. It's this one. So, oh, already goes out. So this is an automatically moving object class. I just want to like bundle some of the code. So you have this stuff here. Now, this is the move X and move Y stuff, pretty basic stuff. Oh yeah, this was just for debugging. I just removed this, I guess. Yeah, let's remove that. And then we have a needs randomization flag, because like all the moving objects are gonna like spawn in random positions, like sometime or another. And then this is the randomize attributes function, and it randomizes stuff like width, height, X, Y. You get the point, right? And then, yeah, either this function has some sort of issue, the function call in the code has an issue, or it's the get random integer function has an issue for like making sure the values are in the correct range. But I don't really need to bother with that right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Now we got the gravity switcher. So this is just some code. It's honestly just the automatically moving object so far. I don't really know. I think the only reason like I separated this maybe is just to like make the logic cleaner. It's kind of just like the same thing right now. I don't really know why I had this be different, to be honest. Maybe there's a reason. I kind of forgot why. I think it was just to make it like cleaner. But maybe I'll find a use for it later. I just want it to be its own like separate thing for now. And then we'll go to player. So I added a bunch of like state flags. They're probably gonna break eventually, but like I haven't even been able to test the switching gravity stuff so far, so we'll have to see how that goes. But I was able to get the jumping down, like I said. So this is the jump function here. This is the falling function here. Then switch gravity. This is definitely messy. I'm gonna have to switch this later. So we have some code here. This just like checks if like you can switch the gravity. Then this updates like the variables when you start switching gravity, and then this actually switches gravity. This is only supposedly working to for like switching to the right wall. And I say supposedly because I haven't tested this out yet. So you guys will probably have to see tomorrow if it actually worked. Till next time, bye.